Hello, the alarm from 2620 is active. Today we will continue discussing on um, some features of generics. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like, comment, and share. So we have seen various features of generic classes, like how to define them and how to define generic class with multiple parameters and bounding the type of generic class parameter. That means defining into a specific group. Let's see today another feature that we use with generics, which is called wildcards, generic wildcards. So these are very important in identifying the type of the class uh, without knowing it, how it was defined. For example, if you have been programming in a team where one of your team members is assigned the task of developing sort of collections for a game, okay, so and you are the one assigned to use those collections and come up with a step in a game, and if you don't know what are the objects in those collections that your colleague has included, then you can use generics wildcard. Okay, so to demonstrate that one, let's create one class. Let's call it wildcard generic. Okay, so uh, let's have a list, right? And let's create a constructor, and let's initialize okay, let's import array list, and let's add elements. Let's say the first is integer and second is double. Okay, so let's have a few more types. Let's say float, let's say string, and let's say character, and then a boolean. Okay, so here we will declare our class, so assume that you don't know the class that has been defined, but you are expected to implement using the collection, so you don't know what type of collection it is. So what we can do is now we will define a method to get the type. So here comes the place of the wildcard for generics. We add the question mark in the brackets, and it will tell the collections to query the type of the collections member. That's how we use the wildcard in generics. So here we don't know whether it's a list, a set, or whatever, but we will use the generic collection definition. So here we can say in C. Now for the purpose of our demonstration, we could use the method to get the type of the object. Okay. So if we run this one, we will get the types of the collection. So here we will call the method get types, and we will provide the list. Okay, now since list is one of the collection types in Java, it will be accepted as a parameter. So if we run this one, this method, we will get the types of the collection. So here you can see we have got the types of each object included in the list. So you can use identifying the type, you can use in your logic of your programming activities. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time.